Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to change the language in Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's begin. Now, to change the language in Adobe Premiere Pro, you can follow these simple steps. Number one option is changing the language via the Creative Cloud, which is before installation. If you haven't installed Premiere Pro yet, you can select the preferred language during installation. Alright, so from here, open the Adobe Creative Cloud. You see, you can click your profile icon in top right and select the preferences. I'm gonna click on it and then click the Manage Account. Now in this section, I want you to click the Edit Profile. And as you can see at the bottom, you have an option to change the first language. So the preferred language is you'd like to use for all Adobe apps, including, of course, the Adobe Premiere Pro. This setting will not only apply to mobile apps, which use the language set on your mobile device. So for the first language, you can click the Change button here. You will be asked, these are going to be some of the options that you can choose from. Arabic, Chinese, English, French, so it's up to you, all right? Which is kind of helpful if you're working in a collaborative environment. If one is not comfortable or fluent in a specific language, you might want to use that, so it's going to be a lot easier to understand and cooperate and collaborate with your team members, even with your client. All right, so in the second language, you can also add in second language if you want Arabic, Chinese, and a lot more. So it's up to you, all right? So you can choose from any of the following languages here. That's one way, and then click on Save. Now the next option is going to be, I want you to go to the Premiere Pro itself, all right? And from here, there are a couple of more options that you can do. One option is going to be go to the Edit section and go to the Preferences. Go to the Appearance. You should be able to search and check the language here. In general, you should be able to see a language, but if not, if you can't find the language option here, that means you are using an outdated version, so you might want to check if we have the latest version of Adobe Premiere Pro. But don't worry, because there's another way. If this doesn't work, I want you to press the control button plus F12 or command plus F12 on Mac. What will happen is it would give you this pop-up window, the console window, and I want you to type in application language. Right? If you press enter, you would notice that you have this option that says EN_US, and that is going to be the English language standard. You can choose it to change it, and you can use the application language bilingual if you click this check box right here. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.